Hey guys, it's Wes Gatz come to you today. I want to share with you my review of the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. It is created by the one and only Jonathan Montoya, and with this challenge, 3 days, that's all it takes, you'll start and launch your first online business. Jonathan explains his 3 simple steps in his system to generate commissions every day, like clockwork. He will help you to narrow down your niche. Once you have your niche, he will help you step by step set up your system. And number 3, once you have your system up, he will show you how to get loads and loads of traffic. Free traffic or paid traffic. And like I said, he will explain it step by step. He's a former electrical engineer, so he loves steps and processes. So, I know that this may not be for everybody. It's not for people who do not follow directions, people who just love watching training and never implement anything. If that's you, then this program is not for you. The 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge was designed and created for people who want to learn and immediately take action so they can see results fast. It is designed primarily for affiliate marketing, but all this training, from your niche to the system, the follow-up system, and the traffic, can also make you money in network marketing too. So if you've never made any money online or consistently with your affiliate marketing or network marketing programs, then I highly recommend the simple 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. And you can complete the training in just a couple of hours. It's that simple, but it's laid out step by step, everything that you need to do, you need to know. And also, unfortunately, like a lot of the affiliate marketing, you can be out there on your own, not have anybody to bounce ideas off of. But inside the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge, there's also a Facebook group. So you can bounce your any questions, ideas, thoughts off the fellow group members, and you can help each other grow. So, like I said, I highly recommend you check out and take part in the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. I have a link down in the description below. Click it, get started today, and I'll see you in the Facebook group. Thanks, God bless, have a great day.